What's up guys, Kainos here, and I'm so excited. I have a huge announcement. This Thursday, June 10th, we will be having our very first The Coffee Lab Episode 1. What is specialty coffee? Stream! This is huge because this is something I've been wanting to integrate into my community here on Twitch. Being able to share gaming as well as something else that I'm extremely passionate about, which is coffee. I absolutely love specialty coffee, and that's what this first episode we will be talking about. We will have Trevor Graham, who is the roaster and CEO, head honcho of Sabbath Coffee Roasters out in Michigan. They are friends of mine as well. He is a gamer himself on the old Apex Legends. But this is just something I'm excited to kind of collide, worlds colliding here. Again, guys, we will be brewing on stream a V60. If you don't know what that is, come check it out, as well as we'll be talking about what is specialty coffee. Yes, your coffee is special, but how much more special can we make it after this stream? Again, guys, this Thursday, June 10th at 7 o'clock Mountain Standard Time, we will be having our very first The Coffee Lab Episode 1. You don't want to miss it because this is something that's really cool and I'm passionate about. Thank you guys so much for pouring into this community. I hope this is one way we can connect even more. So follow the Twitter, follow the YouTubes, follow the Instagrams, links in the comments. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much, and I am so excited. I will see you guys Thursday, June 10th, 7 o'clock Mountain Standard Time on the Twitch /KainosTTV. Again, guys, I will see you there.